Good morning. It is the 17th of July 2025. It's a lovely, muggy 76 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 24 degrees Celsius. Humidity is like 74%, so yeah, it's very muggy. It's mostly cloudy. Yeah, it's mostly cloudy. Today is supposed to be increasing thunderstorms as the day progresses. Typical summer. Then tomorrow and Saturday here is supposed to be very rainy. I am going to be in western Kentucky, so maybe I'm just going to drive through most of it. And you can't be tired. We haven't walked that far. She's the one that turned to go back home. I don't know why she's dragging now. It is, oof, man. The garbage truck has been through here. That's what this streak is, and it stinks. So anyway, happy Thursday. Thursday. And hope you have a great weekend, rest of the week, remaining day. And Dakota and I will see you next time.